Given some points P, Q, R, and S, we are asked to find the cross product between these two vectors P, Q, and R, S. You should know that these are points, not vectors. To find vector PQ, we have to remove points of P from points of Q. So let's find the two vectors first. Vector PQ is equal to Q minus P, which is equal to, you take 3, you subtract this, that is minus 3 minus minus 2, which is minus 3 plus 2, which is equal to minus 1, comma. Again, minus 5 is minus 10. So this is minus 10, comma. Minus 2 minus minus 7 is simply minus 2 plus 7, which is equal to 5. This is the vector PQ. Now let us find the vector RS. RS, which is equal to S minus R, equal to S minus R. 5 minus minus 8, which is simply 5 plus 8, which is 13, comma. 9 minus minus 6, which is simply 9 plus 6 equal to 15, comma. Minus 1 minus minus 3, which is simply minus 1 plus 3, which is positive 2. So these are the two vectors. To find PQ cross RS, this is equal to the determinant. You start with your unit vectors I, J, and K. I, J, and K. Then you list the vector PQ first before RS. We have minus 1, minus 10, and 5. Then lastly, we have 13, 15, and 2. All right. Now this is equal to, I'm going to close this and close this. We are left with these 4 elements. And what is the determinant of these 4 elements? You take 10 negative, you multiply by 2, which is going to give us what? Negative 20. Then you subtract, you multiply 15 by 5 like this, which is going to give us what? 75. You close, then you attach I. Then minus, remember we have plus, minus, plus. Then the second one is minus. Open your bracket, close this and close this. We have 1 times negative 2, which is negative 2. Then minus 13 multiplied by 5, right? Which is 65. 65. Then you attach J. Then lastly, you close this and this. What we have is negative 1 times 15, which is negative 15, minus, this time this is negative 130. But since we have another negative here, we have positive 130. Then we have K here. So let's simplify. We have minus 20 minus 75, which is minus 95i. Then here we have minus 2 minus 65, which is minus 67. With this minus, it turns to plus 67j. Then lastly, we have minus 15 plus 130, which is 115. 115k. And hence this is the cross product. But if you like, you can write it in component form, which is going to be minus 95, 67, 115. Yeah, so this is the cross product between PQ and RS. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye bye.